So we're here doing a 2002 Toyota Camry starter. The starter is right there. Relatively easy to get to. This metal thing is in the way, and of course there's just some plastic stuff. But this is going to be the new one. It's held on via 2 bolts. You can hear the piston hitting, but it's not starting. There's no crank, so I'm pretty sure this is what the problem is. So we're going to go ahead and get that replaced, and yeah, fun job. I'm going to try to get this metal bracket out, and actually I feel like with this and this gone, I can access the starter. So I'm going to work on, oh, that's not a 10. Alright, so we have our 10. Get those loosened. Oh, not quite. Alright, I'm going to put the camera down. I'm going to take these bolts out, and then I'm going to work on getting this out and seeing if there's anything else holding this on so I can access it. Alright, so we got this loose. I'm going to go ahead and take the plug out, scoot that over. Need to loosen this so I can unclip that, and then we'll see if we can get those bolts out. Alright, we have a 13. We're actually just going to go quarter. Take that out. Slide this off. Push it back a bit. Alright. So now we have, let's see if I can show you guys. We have the bolt right there. If I can get it to focus. Bolt right there. And then there's one exactly on the other side down there. So we're going to see if we can get them out without taking any. We're going to see if we can get those out without taking anything else off. Alright, so I put a 14mm socket on it. I want to focus again. I'll zoom out. And then I put a universal joint and then an extension just to kind of get around all the stuff. And that thing, I mean, it started spinning no problem right away. I didn't even really have to crack it. So I need 2 hands just so I can ratchet it out. We're going to get that one out, and then we'll try to do the same thing on the other one. There's one. Alright, so same thing. I have the extension going to a universal joint, going to the bolt there. Already cracked it, didn't take much to crack. Oh, my socket fell off, but I'm going to ratchet that out, and then hopefully we got that bolt off. We're going to get this bolt off, and then hopefully we can pull it out without that stuff being in the way. So that thing was on there pretty good even after the bolts were off. So I got my pry bar, and I put it onto the starter like that, and then I took my pipe wrench, used it like a hammer, smacked, and then I kept having to then do it on the other side and going back and forth until finally it got loose enough where I can pull it out now. So we'll try to get this thing out, and out and up. This is what I was afraid of. Alright. Well, we're going to go here. See if I can get this out of the way. And we'll see if... What? Get the snorkel out. Alright. I don't know why I didn't do that before. There we are. There's the starter. So, out with the old, in with the new. So we're just gonna have this go in the same way. We took that one out. Alright, so bring it down. Plug it in. There we go. Perfect. And then we have our bolts. So I'm gonna go over here. I don't know how well anyone can see that, but we're threading the bolt on the left side. Trying to. And then I'll put this down. And we'll go I don't want that to get in the way of the view, but well, it might have to be. We'll try to thread the bolt on this side. There we go. Alright, we're gonna get those in, and then we'll attach the electrical. So we got those finger tight all the way in. Next, I'm gonna take this off. And we're gonna put this on. But honestly, before I put that on, I might clean it. Little Brillo pad. All right. Let's go this way, and I got the new one on, just putting everything back.
Oh, okay.
What's
your second one doing it? No. Are you taking pictures of your work? Is that why you have the camera here?
You know, there wasn't a video online, so I was like, you know, let me make one.
Yeah. Great, yeah, I'm glad you can use that to help you for business.
Yeah.
So.
And then that way also, I don't know, like, then if anyone ever wants to see the work that I did on their car.
Yeah, if you ever need a testimony outside of Google, let me know if you need like a pro.
Yeah, we'll do. Making sure this is nice and tight. This one was a lot easier than the last one I did, because it was at the top of the engine. So this one was a lot easier than the last one that I did because it was at the top of the engine.
Oh, okay.
Like another one I did was like in the middle and down.
Oh, I see.
It was just hard to get to.
Yeah.
This one, I thought I was gonna have to remove more stuff, but I was able to kind of get to it just by taking a few things off and using extensions. So like I was able to, like, for like that back bolt, I had it in and around so I could ratchet it off just from an angle.
So crazy these tools are.
All right, that's in. And then tighten it up. All right, and then we're gonna snake it through here. And you can see it all the way down there. And we'll get these nice and tight. All right, so now I'll plug this back in. Make sure it's in there. All right, and then put this back on. All right. Now the snorkel. There we go. All right, that's in there, and then also in there. And then that's there, and we have this guy now, which goes on there and over top of this. That's all plugged in, that's all plugged in. I plugged that back in, didn't need to unplug it. All right. Here's our battery. All right, clear the engine. Engine bay. Found them. All right. There we go. Zoomy zoom zoom.